I'm getting paid over $30,000 per month in recurring monthly commissions using a secret automated 3-step system, and I now want to hand you a copy of this so you can supercharge your affiliate earnings and make recurring automated monthly commissions with the same amount of work it usually takes to promote low-ticket one-time $7 products. Hey, Glyn here. I'm not going to waste your time, so here's the deal. I've created a system that will allow you to clone exactly what I'm doing to make over $30,000 per month in recurring affiliate commissions. These are commissions that are guaranteed into my bank account every single month. In fact, I'm able to make at least $30,000 per month every month without creating products or websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without running an Amazon business, definitely without trading crypto or anything else you may have tried in the past. There's absolutely zero overheads with this system. You don't need any experience or technical skills to get this up and running, and we're 100% not shipping products from China. We're doing something a little bit different here, but we're making a lot more money and we can sleep comfortably at night knowing that we're guaranteed to get paid month after month in recurring affiliate commissions promoting these recurring affiliate products. This system is a complete game changer, and what it does is so simple yet so powerful to automate monthly recurring commissions into our bank accounts, so we're guaranteed to get paid month after month. And it's not just me having incredible success with the secret affiliate system. I'm now proud to say I've got a network of members across the globe all getting great results just like myself, earning monthly commissions, which means I know that you'll also be able to line again. In a nutshell, I was given a secret system that taps into the highly profitable world of recurring affiliate programs. This system allows us to promote these programs that pay us monthly recurring commissions. We recommend a service or software to people who are looking to make money online or build an online business, and when they make that initial purchase, we lock in monthly recurring commissions from that initial sale. We're able to do this without spending a dime of our own money, and promoting products that pay us monthly recurring commissions is where the real big long-term money is. But the truth is you do need to be experienced to know exactly what you're doing, because it's not very easy to convince somebody to sign up for a service or product that's going to charge them every single month. And that's why I decided to create the secret affiliate system, an automated done-for-you money-making system which makes us $30,000 per month in recurring affiliate commissions, promoting recurring affiliate programs that pay us every single month, 100% guaranteed. Now, our affiliate system levels the playing field so you can get the same great results as the internet marketing gurus. This is affiliate marketing like you've never seen it before, because it's never been done like this before. Starting from scratch with a zero budget, we're able to bank over $30,000 in recurring monthly commissions with our secret system, secret site, and secret funnels. And all you've got to do is grab your license to my secret affiliate system, plug in your affiliate link, and the rest is 100% done for you. With this system, my team and I are consistently earning at least $30,000 per month without worrying about finding and promoting new products to promote every single day, because we just stick to what works and what products and services people need and will pay monthly subscriptions for. We're talking page builders, funnel building softwares, hosting, domains, autoresponders, VPNs, video tools, the list goes on. There are literally hundreds of services and softwares we can promote to earn chunky recurring monthly commissions. Secret affiliate system, we're banking over $30,000 per month like clockwork without any additional expenses, creating complicated pages, or relying on unreliable paid traffic, and now it's all yours. Making money online is pretty simple if you just stick to one system and follow the process of what is working. And today I'm handing you my done-for-you system, which includes the same funnels and sites that are working for me right now to make really good recurring money online. Being able to get paid a monthly paycheck from some of the biggest affiliate marketing companies in the world has allowed me to travel the world first class and stay in 5-star hotels, and I've even been able to purchase my dream $1 million apartment in one of the most expensive boroughs of London. So if you're sick and tired of buying junk products and softwares that simply don't work anymore, now is the perfect time to secure your license to the secret affiliate system so you can live your dream life. We've done all the work for you to ensure that you're as successful as the rest of my members, and we're even gonna set up the system for you. We've created the secret funnel, the secret website, and we're giving you everything else you need to generate monthly recurring commissions. All you need to do is plug in your details into my system, insert your affiliate links, and watch the magic happen. I want to help you succeed as fast as possible, but I know exactly how it feels to be struggling trying to make your first dime on the internet, which is why I'm handing you my secret affiliate system right now. I've actually helped countless people across the globe make their first monthly commissions online, including these guys right here.
3 days, I've got 10 sales. I've never done that before in all the years I've been doing this stuff. So I highly recommend Glenn and his courses.
I had been active only a few days. And as soon as I started to follow Glenn's instruction, the money started to come in.
So the last 30 days, I made $1,555. Look at the last 7 days here, $917.
Glenn promised that I would be generating income. I've generated nearly $300 in the week since completing the setup videos.
A big, huge thank you to Glenn. I've been using his products. And I just want to say that I have not found products like this that can instantly make you money and continue to make you the residual income that you've probably been looking for.
And I just want to give a quick testimonial and a quick shout out to my man Glenn. I want to say, brother, thank you for what you've done. In under 4 days, I was already start making $100 a day. So my man, I love what you're doing. Peace and love. And brother, keep doing the good work.
And that's just a small section of the people that I've helped generate their first monthly recurring commissions online. The bottom line is this: the secret affiliate system works and is something you need right now. It's an automated system which is 100% done for you. Now for the next 180 days risk-free. Start getting results with our automated process, and if for any reason you're not completely blown away, just let me know and I'll refund 100% of your tiny investment here today. Whatever you decide, I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation. Have a great day, and I hope to see you on the inside of the secret affiliate system, where you'll get to meet all the other members who have already made their first recurring commissions online with this system. I look forward to seeing you as my next success story and the next profitable member of my secret affiliate system.